Namaskaram everyone. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am very happy to be performing today in our Sadhana series, first session starting from this month. I spoke to my Guru, all of your Parama Guru, Neyveli Santana Gopalan sir this morning, and I seeked his blessings and I told him that now we are starting this. And in fact, it is sir's idea. When I spoke to sir 2-3 months back that we are planning to do this, he said, I mentioned him that we are planning to have a junior, intermediate and a senior level student, providing an opportunity. Then sir insisted that no, there should be a teacher's slot at the end, because we want the students to listen to their teacher. So every month at the last slot, please make it a teacher slot, so the students get inspired from the teachers. And so sir was the one who insisted, and so today morning I called him and I also discussed that. I told sir that the teachers segment is going to be a thematic combination of Legdom and the concert, and I told sir that I'm thinking maybe I'll do an RTP, sir. So I asked sir, what can I do? He said, Sukad, what theme you wanted? I said, about Sukadvani school maybe. I haven't thought about it. I thought I'll compose. And he said, sir said, Sukadvani, Hamsadvani. So sing a Pallavi in Hamsadvani. It matches with Sukadvani is what he said. So
you can do it in Garudadvani.
Garudadvani also, yes. Mayuradvani, we have lot of dhvanis. But sir said, in fact I asked that same question. So for those who do not know, Mayuradvani is Andolika, okay? And there is a Garudadvani which is opposite of Bilahari. Sariga pada sa sanida pa magari sa is Bilahari. Sariga ma pada ni sa sada pagari sa is Garudadvani. So but when I asked this question to sir, sir's answer was, you said this is the first session, so start in Hamsadvani is what sir said. So first I'll kind of give a small introduction. So how many of you have heard the word RTP? How many of you know what is an RTP? What is a Ragam, Tanam, Pallavi? Okay. So maybe like 30% of people here know what is an RTP. So I'll explain for those who have never heard the word RTP. Is the Shruti volume too high or is it okay? Is it okay? Okay. So
Too loud or?
yes, too loud is my question. But when I start singing, I'll increase the volume.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good, no? So an RTP is, R stands for Ragam, and T stands for Tanam, and P stands for a Pallavi. Right? So you all know Ragam. Ragam is the Raga Alapana. Tanam is singing the Ragam with Ta, Anamta, Anamta, Tanamta, Nomta, Anamta. Those phrases, that is Tanam. And Pallavi, typically you all know in a Kriti, a Pallavi is just the line, beginning line, right? So that one line will be the whole song. In an RTP, the Pallavi is a line that we can compose, we can take from an existing Kriti and we can take that as our Pallavi line, or we can make our own Pallavi. It can be composed in any Ragam, any Talam. We can combine two different Talams, combine two different Ragams, whatever. It is completely up to the musician to decide how we want to set that Pallavi. So today, just for fun, I thought I'll get the idea from all of you and we'll decide the line, and then I will show what are all the things that can be done in an.
That's exactly how Pallavis are sung.
Yes.
Today Pallavi, the artist comes prepared
Yes.
for 3 weeks and then sings the Pallavi. Originally Pallavis were sung in a kingdom, in a court, Raja's court. Those days kings used to rule, and the king would have a series of learned Vidwans, Asthana Vidwans. So they will ask the main Vidwan, hey, can you sing something like this? And that's it. He has to go.
They have to compose on the spot. So I thought I'll take this challenge and do it. Let's see how it comes. Okay?
But there is no king here.
Everybody's a king and queen here. Okay. So according to my guru's advice, we are going to do this in Hamsadvani. So that is decided. And I thought we'll take a simple Talam, Adi Talam, which all the students, because we have small kids too, advanced students. So we'll take a simple Pallavi. We'll compose a Pallavi in Hamsadvani in Adi Talam. So a Pallavi has two important concepts. One is the Edupu of the Pallavi. Edupu is where you start the Pallavi. Are you going to start in Samam, or are you going to start 1 after, or 2 after, or 3 after, or you can start in the Pinky Samam, you can start 2 after the Pinky, or you can start in the ring. You can decide. It's the singer who decides where we want to start the Pallavi. Okay? And the next important one is the Edupu. The second important part in a Pallavi is the Arudhi. Okay? What is an Arudhi? Tam, tam, where the lagu ends and the dhritam starts, that is the Arudhi. That doesn't depend on the singer, that is how it should be. Okay, whatever talam we choose, whether we choose a Tisra Jati, Tirupada talam, or Kanda Jati, Ada talam, or Chatushra Jati, Tirupada talam, whatever talam you take, Arudhi has to be at the end of the lagu, where the lagu ends and the next anga starts. So typically in Adi talam, so it will be like, right? So let's say sa, tri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Assume that sa is the Arudhi. Okay. So let's decide where we can start where we can keep the Edupu and where we can, the Arudhi we all know. It's going to be the 5th beat sound. Okay. So then what is significant about a Pallavi? Why do we do a Pallavi? So this is mainly Laya oriented, to show the Laya expertise of a musician. Generally an RTP is performed in a concert. So what Laya? So the Pallavi line that we take, it has to fit in exactly one talam, whatever talam that the musician decides to do. In our case, we decide to do it in Adi talam. So whatever line that we compose, so I'll tell you the rules, so now we can then together compose. Okay. So the rule is that the whole Pallavi line has to fit in one talam, exactly one talam. That is called a Samakalam, which is the normal speed that we sing the Pallavi. Then once we do the Ragam and the Tanam and we sing the Pallavi line, that Pallavi line is called As. As means the tune, the basic tune of the Pallavi that we are setting. And once you do the As, then you do Neraval. Right? Neraval, you all know Neraval. For the benefit of those who do not know what a Neraval is, you sing the same line in different tunes. Other than the actual tune of the Pallavi, you sing in different tunes, making sure that it fits in the right place in the talam. Each word in the Pallavi line should fit in that respective place in the talam. That is Neraval. Then after that, we do something called a Trikala. Three is English also, it's 3, Sanskrit is 3. Okay? So Trikala means you sing the Pallavi in 3 different speeds. So what 3 different speeds? One, the Samakalam. Then you go to the lower speed. And if you sing, let's take the Samakalam, the Pallavi is 1 Avartanam. So what happens if you sing in the lower speed? Any guess? Very good. Or in other words, you can say it will take 2 talams to sing the Pallavi one time. Instead of singing the one line in one talam, now it would take 2 talams to sing the Pallavi once. Okay? So we sing in Samakalam, then we go to Kizhkalam. It's called a Kizhkalam or a slow speed. Then we come back to the Samakalam. When we sing in Samakalam, again the Pallavi will fit in 1 talam exactly, right? Then we go to Melkalam. Melkalam is second speed. What will happen when you sing in second speed? In 1 talam, you can sing the same Pallavi line twice. But it's a tradition that we sing the Pallavi 4 times. So it comes to 2 talams. So basically Samakalam we sing 2 times, so it comes to 2 talam. Then Kizhkalam we sing only once, it comes to 2 talams. But Melkalam we sing 4 times, it comes to 2 talams. Do you understand? So we keep the 2 talam permanent. So Samakalam twice, Kizhkalam once, Samakalam twice, Melkalam 4 times. So keeping the same 2 talams. Okay? We can also introduce a Tisram concept. Right? When do we sing the Tisram? If we are going to do it, it will be after the Samakalam but before the Melkalam. And you have to do the Pallavi line 3 times. Exactly the 3rd time when you finish, it will come and fit in the talam correctly. To do this Trikalam, there are 2 ways of doing it. One is starting the variation of the different speed from the eduppu. That's one way of doing. The other way of doing it is changing the speed from the arudhi point every time. Okay. So today maybe we can do it from the eduppu place. Let's decide that also. Okay. So what happens after this? Then after we do the trikalam, we move on to kalpanaswarams. We do the Kizhkalam Kalpanaswarams, then the Melkalam Kalpanaswarams. Kizhkalam is the first speed, Melkalam Kalpanaswarams is the second speed. After that, generally we do Ragamalika. That's optional, but we do Ragamalika, different ragas. We sing and then we come back to the same line and we end that same Pallavi line in that respective raga. If I sing Kamboji, Kalpanaswaram, then I end my Pallavi line in Kamboji, right? And finally towards the end we can come back to the original ragam that we have taken and we can end it, or we can end with the last ragam. There is no mandatory rule that we have to come back to the main ragam. So this is an RTP. Okay, so we will do little bit of all these, little bit of ragam, little bit of tanam, then the Pallavi line, we'll do the Neraval, Trikalam, Kalpanaswarams and Ragamalika. So now let's compose the Pallavi line, okay? We can't sing the Pallavi in English. Obviously we have to pick a language, no? It has to be Tamil or Sanskrit or Telugu or Malayalam or something. And I would prefer, because I am a Tamilian, I would prefer to compose the Pallavi in Tamil. So we have to decide, we decided the ragam. First we have to decide the ragam. We said Hamsadvani. Talam, to keep it simple for everyone to be able to follow, we are going to keep what talam? Adi talam. Okay, you are all following, good. Okay, and language we have decided? Tamil. And Neyveli sir said, compose a Pallavi on Sukadvani Music School. Because this is your Sukadvani event, he said, you should have the word Sukadvani and it should be in Hamsadvani. Make it rhyming, he said. So now let's come up with give some ideas what we can do. Yes.
ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியோடு சேர்ந்தால் சுகத்வனி ஆகுமே.
ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் சுகத்வனி ஆகுமே. ஆஹா. Okay. So now let's see how we can compose the same Pallavi in 100 different ways. The same line in the Hamsadvani in Adi Talam, you can compose in so many ways. If you ask me, I will compose one way, Darshi will compose different way, Bhavan and I will compose different way, Lakshmi auntie will compose different way, and our students, see some kids are already want to compose. Okay, yes, Soumya, yes. Yes. No, that is not decided. That's one suggestion. We are going to take a lot of suggestions, okay? But we will, for every line that's given, let's see how it can be composed, okay? So, Ragamum, Talamum, Dvani means sound, okay? When with a nice sound, when the Ragam and Talam combines, it becomes Sukadvani.
No, Dvani is already there in Sukadvani. So, what is the first?
Ragamum, Talamum,
Nadam.
Ragamum, Talamum, Pallaviyum, Nadamum சேர்ந்தால். Okay?
Let's include the word sadhana somewhere in this.
Sadhana. Yeah, then we can fit in Aditalam. Then we need Kandajati Adatalam.
Then we have to go to Kandajati.
Yes, Kandajati Adatalam. So we have to see for the talam that we are taking. So in our talam we have only 4 beats in the Purvangam, and the Arudhi has to. So let's just take that line that Sailesh uncle suggested. Okay, Ragamum, Talamum, Dvaniyudan சேர்ந்தால் Sukadvani ஆகுமே. Agume will be the Arudhi. Then what comes? What is going to be the Uttarangam? So there is something called a Purvangam and Uttarangam. So till that Arudhi is Purvangam. From that Arudhi till the end of the talam is called Uttarangam. So let's try, okay? Ragamum talamum dvaniyudan சேர்ந்தால் Sukadvani. See, already we went to 5. We can't fit in. It's too many words. So if it is a Mishra Jati Tirupada Talam or a Mishra Jati Jampa Talam, that can be executed. Let's try, okay? What is the Misra Jati Jampatalam? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or Misra Jati Tirupuratalam will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1. Let's try to fit that in Misra Jati Jampatalam or Tirupuratalam. But for the Dhritam part, somebody has to compose a line and give. Okay? So, Ragamum Talamum Dvani Yudan Serdal Sukadvani Agume. You see? Now we composed a Pallavi. That Agume is the, what is it? Arudhi. Good job. And what is the Edupu that we decided now? I just started in Samam. Ragam. I can also start, let's try starting it after 2, okay? Takka Ragamum Talamum Dvani Yudan Serdal Sukadvani Agume. I can adjust wherever I want space, but we have to remember what we are doing because we are going to do 3 speeds of this. So it is not whatever you want, however you want. You have to decide, finalize, then only then you can actually start doing the Pallavi. So what is the Uttaranga? Sukadvani Agume, then what happens? Inimayudan. Inimayudan, we need one more word because we have 2, 3, 4, we need that many words. Inimayudan.
உள்ளத்தை உருக்கும் ஹம்சத்வனியில்.
உள்ளத்தை உருக்கும் ஹம்சத்வனியில். Okay. உள்ளத்தை உருக்கும், too many words. சுக்கத்வனி ஆகுமே.
சாதனை ஆகுமேல முடிக்கிற மாதிரி.
சாதனை ஆகுமே. Okay, சாதனாக்காக. Okay. ஹம்சத்வனியில் சாதனை ஆகுமே. Does it make sense? ஹம்சத்வனியில். No. Hamsad, let's only keep Hamsadvani, okay? Agume. Hamsadvaniyil Ragamum Talamum. அப்புறம் என்ன ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால், okay? தக்க ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் ஹம்ச இல்ல சுக்கத்வனி ஆகுமே. ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் சுக்கத்வனி ஆகுமே. Ragamum Talamum Dvaniyudan. So Dvani is starting here. Let's remember, okay? Ragamum Talamum Dvaniyudan Serdal Sukadvani. Sukadvani has to start here. Only then the Arudhi will end correctly. Sukadvani Agume.
We can keep just Sukadvani as the Arudhi. That will give us more space.
Sukadvani. அப்புறம் ஆகுமேனு பின்னாடி போட சொல்றீங்க.
ஹம்சத்வனியின் ராகம் அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். சுகத்வனி and then ஹம்சத்வனியில்.
ஓ ஆகுமே வேண்டாம். ராகமும் ஆமா ராகமும் ஓஹோ எண்ட்ல வந்து ஹம்ச ஓகே. So you understand what he's saying? ஹம்சத்வனி ரெண்டு பண்ணா ஹம்சத்வனி ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் சுகத்வனி ஆகுமே வச்சுக்க போறோமா இல்லையா? வச்சுக்கலாமா? ஓகே. சுக்கத்வனி ஆகுமே ஹம்சத். ஸோ மேபி வி கேன் கிவ் 6 கார்வே. ஆகு 1 2 3 4 5 6 ஹம்சத்வனி ராகமும் தாளமும் என்னது தக்க ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் சுக்கத்வனி ஆகு 1 2 3 ஹம்சத்வனி okay ஹம்சத்வனி முடிச்சிட்டு இப்போ ஹம்சத்வனி maybe we can give it. So now there is one more concept called karvai. Karvai is after the arudhi. How much gap are you going to give? It's up to the singer to decide. We can decide. So now we have hamsadvani is 6. So I have 2 in the next talam, so I know I need 4 here. So I have to start here. Hamsadvani ragamum talamum dvaniyudan serdal sukadvani agume. Hamsadvani ra. So what talam came? Now Misra Jati Jampa talam. We have composed a Pallavi in Misra Jati Jampa talam with Eduppu 2 after Arudhi falling in the end of the Lagu, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is the Arudhi. And we decided to give 8 karvais because we want to take Hamsadvani Ragamum Talam. Oh, Sukha Hamsadvaniya. அப்போ வந்து we will make instead of 8 karves it will become 6 karves. Sukadvani ஆகுமே தக்க சுக்க ஹம்ச அப்படி சொல்றேனா தக்க திம்மி தக்க சுக்க ஹம்ச துவனி ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் சுக்கத்வனி ஆகும் 1 2 3 4 5 6 சுக்க ஹம்ச துவனி ராகமும் தாளமும் துவனியுடன் சேர்ந்தால் ஹம்ச இல்ல சுக்கத்வனி ஆகுமே தக்க சுக்க ஹம்ச துவனி ராகமும் தாளமும். Shall we all try? We are not, so this is just a trial. So this is to just to try to convey the message that you can take any line. You can either decide I only want that line. Accordingly you have to decide the talam. Or you can decide no I want to do in Adi talam and accordingly decide the lyrics. Now we are just going to, because we want to try to execute that Pallavi line, the best talam that's fitting is Mishra Jati Jampatam. So we'll all try it. One time I will chant it, next time we'll all do it together, okay?
It's not in Hamsadvani Ragam, no?
No, we are not even singing anything now. We are just chanting.
Deciding the
And we haven't decided that we are going to do this RTP. This is, we decided to do something in Adi Talam. This is just for that lyrics, we are trying to fit that as an RTP, okay? So ready? Takka Ragamum. So two after, remember? Takka Ragamum Talamum Jatiyudan Dvaniyudana, sorry. Takka Ragamum Talamum Jatiyudan Seda Sukha Dvani Agu 1 2 3 4 5 6 Sukha Hamsa Dvani Ragamum Talamum Dvaniyudan Seda Sukha Dvani Agu 1 2 3 4 5 6 Sukha Hamsa Dvani Ragamum Talamum Dvaniyudan Seda Sukha Dvani Agu Sukha Hamsa Dvani Ragamum Talamum Dvaniyudan Seda Sukha Dvani Agu Sukha Hamsa Dvani Ragamum Talamum Dvaniyudan Seda Sukha Dvani Agu 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is the 6? That 6 is Karve. Why did we leave 8 Karve earlier? Because we just had Hamsadvani. Then because we added Sukha. Because we added Sukha, the Karve became 6. So assume you want to Ati Sukha Hamsadvani I want to add. Then my Karve will become 4. You all understand? Now we all can compose an RT. Okay? Okay, any other line that can fit in Adi Talam? Sukadvani is our music school, okay? Sukadvani Namadu Palli. Shall we do something like that?
Yeah.
Because we want a smaller line which can fit in Sukadvani Namadu Palli, something like that, okay? Sukadvani Namadu Palli, which means Sukadvani is our music school,
but
okay?
this will fit in Adi Talam also
Which one?
without doing any editing. Ragam, Tanam, Dvaniyam, Agu.
But you want to have Sukadvani, no?
Ramagaru.
Sukhamum Dvaniyam Sukadvani.
No, we'll add Sukadvani later. Just like how we did the other one.
I have one more suggestion.
Okay.
Different color.
Ah.
Ragam Sukadvani.
வாழ்க்கையில் வெற்றி பெற்றால் சாதனையோ சாதனை
I didn't know that you know Tamil also.
Oh. So, because Sir said start with Sukadvani. Sir said start the Pallavi with Sukadvani and sing in Hamsadvani. So I'm thinking how to start with Sukadvani. Ah. Okay.
Ah,
Aha. Everything is beautiful. But if we have to start with Sukadvani word, Sukadvani Namadu Palli. Okay, Sukadvani is our school. So let's all join together. Adil join together nu solla kooduvom. Let's all come together. Adil kooduvom. What do we come together and what do we do? Do we dance? We sing. We sing. Isai paaduvom. Okay?
சுகத்வனி பள்ளிக்கூடம்
ஒன்று சேர்ந்தால் இசை கூடும். ஒன்றாய்
சுக்கத்வனி பள்ளிக்கூடம்
கூடம் ஒன்றாய் சேர்ந்து இசை கூடும்.
ஒன்றாய் சேர்ந்தால் இசை கூடும். வல்ல வல்ல how many கவிஞர்ஸ் we have? But we need the Aruthi please. We need the Aruthi. So this is what I'm thinking. சுக்கத்வனி நமது பள்ளி அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம் சுக்க. So we have to decide the எடுப்பு. Okay, சுக்கத்வனி நமது பள்ளி. So how much it's taking? சுக்கத்வனி நமது பள்ளி. So it's coming here, but I want it 4 after. Yeah, so I can start 4 after. So I can keep my எடுப்பு as my pinky. So let's see what will happen. சுக்கத்வனி நமது பள்ளி. That will be the what? பூர்வாங்கம். So what will happen to the உத்தராங்கம்? We have to, what did we decide? கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம். அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம். Oh, there is a space there, so we can move here. அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம் சுக்கத்வனி நமது பள்ளி. 1 2 3 4 5 6. அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம் சுக்கத்வனி நமது பள்ளி. அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடு. So what is the எடுப்பு here? 4 after samam. Very good. And where is the Aruthi coming? Palli. That is the Aruthi. And what is the Karve? Good job. 6 after. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Adil Kudu. So let us all come together, sing together in our Sukhadvani music school. Is the meaning of this line.
Instead of பாடுவோம், performance means ஆற்றுவோம். இசை ஆற்றுவோம்.
இசை ஆற்றுவோம், இசை பாடுவோம்.
பாட்டு. I don't know Tamil.
So let's see. An RTP can be done for 2 hours. This RTP can be taken and happily we can sing for 2 hours. But now we are going to do it in 15 minutes. So we will do a very, very small sample of everything. Okay? What is the time? 4:15. So we have 15-20 minutes to do this. Okay. Taganum nom danom dada nom danom dada nom danom danom dada nom 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 dada நமது பள்ளி சுகத்வனி நமது பள்ளி அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம் சுகத்வனி நமது பள்ளி அதில் கூடுவோம் இசை பாடுவோம் சரி நீ கசரி தனி சனி தம கமதனி சுக்க துவனி நமது பள்ளி. What ragam was that? Hindolam. Okay. Gapada dadamaga. Gapada dasada sada dadama gapada gapada gari sada. Sari gagga gari gari gama gapada daba gapada sari gari sada sada gari sada sari sada sada gari gapada sari sukka துவனி நமது பள்ளி.
Nobody answered like an answer.
Vasanthi, good job, Vasanthi.
My favorite.
Magasa Varam. Sagamadani sa sanida magasa. It's very close to Bhageshri, but it is Varamu, also known as Suddha Hindoda. Tunai Purindarul. Revati. Rima pani sani ni pa
मध्यमा
ma pani sa sa ri ri sa ri